how to use the quantum field. 2. What is the solution? In my last talk, I wrote about our current conditions. For the average person, it might seem normal. What is the solution? This is the current state of affairs. I can't do anything about it. We are saying, yes, you can. What is the future for humanity? Did you know that disease can't live in the quantum field? Did you know that man will evolve into being a creature filled with light and have a physical body? Imagine the universe's vast storehouse of chemicals exists inside. It can't be released until one starts changing their thoughts and actions. Negative emotions are obsolete. They have not served us in any way. We have fought for thousands of years. We still continue to fight. Without genuine kindness for all, the world will continue into this downward spiral. Your mind and body is one. As you know that for every negative thought you have, over 1,500 different chemicals gets released into your bloodstream. Did you know that for every positive thought you have, over 1,500 positive chemicals gets released into your bloodstream? By being aware of the quantum field in your daily life, one begins to transform and change. We are on the cutting edge of transformation. Did you know the human body is wired to live for 900 years? You may scoff at that and say, that's ridiculous. Yet some trees live to be around 3,000 years. The majority of humanity is living in intense stress. The majority die way before they are wired for. I have a friend who said he will die when I'm 88 years old. He will die when he is 88 years old. Imagine, we have no idea of the power of the mind. We think we are helpless and disease just manifests out of the blue. Yet we create our own diseases by our lifestyle, thoughts, and actions. We are oblivious to playing the same tapes over and over. Baby steps are needed. 2 steps forward and 1 step backwards. This is how humanity and the universe learns. This is a learning experience. The entire universe takes baby steps. Yes, there are certain events which seem to occur in seconds. Look at a volcano blowing. It seems like it just explodes, but it might have been simmering for hundreds of years. What has this got to do with me? Everything. Imagine you are hardwired for this experience. The car is sitting in your garage gathering dust. It was meant for you to drive down the freeway of life. Yet the majority of people don't even know that the car exists inside. We have been raised to only focus on the external. Society says only the artists, musicians, and mystics dive deep into their hearts. They were born that way. Yet, we all have that capability. We are skimming the surface on the ocean of life and think, that is reality. The mystics have said there's an infinite ocean that lies inside of you. They didn't have the name quantum field during their days, yet it's all one and the same. Can you imagine a world where mankind is truly kind to each other? We could easily solve the world's problems. How would you like a world where negative thoughts and emotions don't exist? Yes, you may laugh. Imagine there are civilizations that went through the same path of going from darkness to light. No civilizations get a free ride, yet they truly transform. They went from war to a state of living in the quantum field. This is our destination. Look, it's not going to happen overnight. Many people say it takes over 1 million years. Fortunately, millions of people are waking up from their slumber. Our life is about to change in ways that we can't even conceive. Many incredible scientific discoveries will come along the way. The more the world embraces the quantum world, there are an infinite amount of discoveries to come. You see, humanity is like a tuning fork. It vibrates at the frequency of human consciousness. We have been in a state of darkness and chaos for thousands of years. This is about to change. Personal empowerment is gaining momentum. When people understand the principles that they can change, and then science helps humanity to take practical steps to change. For example, I really didn't understand that thoughts produce chemicals directly into the bloodstream. Just this one discovery alone changed my life. Mind you, I've been meditating for many moons. I really didn't pay attention to my thoughts, yet now I try to monitor my thoughts, which leads to monitor my emotions, which leads to monitor my actions. This is quite different from people who tweet which comes to their mind. Here are some simple steps which have helped me. Try to meditate every day. Even if it's 5 minutes, just follow your breath. I know it sounds too simple. Focus on your breath during your daily activities. Why? Just do it for a year, and then you tell me. Monitor your words that you speak. If it is not kind, don't say it. Pay attention towards your heart. Have gratitude that you are alive. The heart contains the incredible emotions of love, kindness, mercy, and compassion. This is your true state. I could go on for a long time about the heart. Look at the various research on heart coherence. Just this alone blows my mind. Learn how to be aware of the negative emotions that are stored into your body. There are many different techniques out there. Find out which matches your needs. You can learn how to reprogram your old tapes. Read the latest fusion between science and mystics, who will bring you to the understanding this is a practical path. Learn to be in harmony with nature. Look at the 4 seasons for an example. Nature can truly teach us if we ask. Your ancestors are always there. They have never left you. As I read about a week ago, they just moved into the next room, to the mansion of life. As we get older, you might understand how this would help us grieve in a healthy way. We might even learn how to knock on their door. You see, the quantum field contains all. Get enough sleep. Your body truly needs sleep to repair itself. Scientists have found that athletes who get extra sleep recover much quicker and are less prone to injuries. The less sleep you get, the more prone to injuries. This even goes with us everyday folks. Your body and mind is your friend. Treat it that way. Many of the world's diseases could have been prevented. Mankind lives mostly from old tapes. Learn to reprogram yourself. I've been a software engineer for over 35 years. I've learned to reprogram myself for many years. Health is your greatest wealth. If you are a billionaire and you are sick, you can't quite enjoy it. Take care of yourself. Take care of your mind, body, and soul. Remember, God is your co-pilot. He will not drive your car for you. It's only by your will, yet God is there to help you on this journey in life. Only you can open the inner car door. Be kind to yourself. Laugh at life. We all make daily mistakes. Learn from them. Some mistakes may take thousands of tries. Just laugh if you fall to the ground. Dust yourself off and stand up and continue along on your journey. Life will always throw us curveballs. Someday we will be able to hit the ball out of the park. We will then proceed to the next video game level. You see, we are always in a state of evolving. Be kind to the world around you. Smile and be considerate of others. Listen from your heart for those who are in pain. I mean, truly listen. Don't think, what am I going to say next? When you pray to God, does He think, what am I going to say? Or does He truly listen? Learn how to cultivate to become the mind of God. Mind you, in this present moment, that might seem outlandish, yet try to think like God. Monitor your thoughts to be in alignment with God. God truly thinks outside of the box. Learn how to cultivate to become the heart of God. Same thing, this sounds outlandish. Even if you gathered one drop from the heart of God, your life will totally transform. Remember, what you pay attention to, what becomes. This is a practical path. You don't have to renounce anything. Well, maybe. You just let go of the garbage that's weighing you down. So take these ideas. Some may work for you, while others won't. The goal is for you to take practical steps on this journey of life. Be aware of the actions you take. The world around you will enjoy being around you.